Hello everyone. In this video, we are trying to teach you the thing, place, animal, fruit or vegetable for all the English alphabet from A to Z. This is a part 11. We will learn from you and we. So let's start. From you. The thing is umbrella. Place is Uganda. Animal is Uriel. And fruit is ugly fruit. From we. The thing is van. Place is Vietnam. Animal is vulture. And fruit is velvet tamarind. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like our video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.